Hey guys, learn how to make African egg roll in a minute. We're using 4 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix it until it feels like breadcrumb. Go ahead and add in a quarter cup of milk, any milk of your choice. Mix it thoroughly and make sure that it is well mixed. Go ahead and add 2 eggs. Mix it until it's smooth and soft. Go ahead and put this dough in your fridge for a few minutes. After at least 15 minutes, go ahead and take out your dough, divide it into two, go ahead and cut them into the numbers of dough you want it to be. Roll it like this, go ahead and put in your boiled egg, roll it like this, and it is all shaped. Once you're done rolling all your eggs, go ahead and put your oil on the fire, let it warm, let it not be hot. Once it's warm, put in your egg roll. After putting in all your egg roll, go ahead and turn the heat back to medium and let it cook, and look at how it looks beautiful.